Hi everyone, and welcome back to the MUP YouTube channel. And I'm Dave from MUP Halo. So today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing of the Rise of the Banished box set. And I realize you can't really see it a lot there. There it is. There. It only came last night. Still in its clear wrap. And there's also I've got a Halo helmet, so that means that this is a Halo related video. You have to always have the Halo helmet. Um, and yeah, that's about it. I don't really do a lot of these. All right, so we'll get into it. So as you can see, my little setup is a little bit different from what Mark normally does. So if you got notice, there's two little figures over here, and so that allows us to kind of switch over and see the scale of the figures as we unbox them. Now, this is the first time I've ever been doing something like this, so not exactly going to be the smoothest thing on the planet, but we'll bear with it as we go along. So I do have the Force Organizer pack and Fighting Phoenix. I'm not going to open these today, but I might actually quickly show what's inside those ones, and we will use those later when we get into the cards of the big box. So we'll put those to the side for now. Put them there. And sorry about the shadow. It's just not really done anything like this before. So alright, so we'll take this off. So the only thing you've missed so far is me taking off the plastic, which is, you know, is always fun to actually take off, but I don't know, buy it yourself and you can take it off. Alright, so we've got the booklet. We'll quickly switch over to here. See, you got the booklet there, kinda looks like that. We could go for the nitty gritty in the podcast that was released earlier this week. I'm actually recording this before we do the podcast, so my insights will probably be there a little bit more. We've got the cards, little punch cards there of all the new weapons there. Again, so we'll go through them on the pod. But yeah, look pretty standard, pretty straightforward. But we are got different colours here of these ones now. Which, yeah, I look at little X's on the back. I don't actually recall those on the original ones, but got little X's there. All right, we'll put that to the side, and then we've got another tray of things or items in the game. Notice they've got the X's on the back. I don't know if that's new. It's either something I knew or something I've actually just noticed. So we've got a little assembly guide, which of all the new terrain, which I'll probably intercut right here. So this is all the new terrain that's actually all still sealed up in its plastic, because again, I haven't actually opened it. But I'll cut to a shot that I did after the original unboxing, which shows all of this assembled. And it's hopefully as sturdy as the last stuff, but we'll find out when I open it. So I'll put this to the side as well. Didn't really need to have that. Alright. I've got an empty tray. I'm guessing this is for all the little bits and pieces, which is always something that Mantic does really well. Giving you plenty of way to actually store the stuff, which is, pretty thankful, because you end up breaking stuff. Especially if you've got ADHD like myself, you always will break it. But the most important bit is the actual models themselves. So right at the bottom, we have the tray of all the goodies. And we'll just put that here. And we'll take off the tray there. So we'll go through the simple stuff. The stuff that, is pretty straightforward. So we've got the dice. We've got all the grey dice. Very similar to the other command dice that you get with the Spartan or the Recon edition. But it's cool. It's a cool little addition, and we've got the red D8s as well. So pretty simple. Now we're going to the actual models. Now that's the reason why I've got these figures over here, so we can actually compare the scale. So if we quickly jump over here, so we've got Master Chief here, and we've got a normal human here. I'm going to actually crouch down a little bit here. So the reason why we do this is because Mantic have been very good at keeping to canon and to scale, and brutes are typically a lot bigger than even Master Chief. So this, you could say, this is a Spartan 4, that's the Spartan 2, which is genetically enhanced, and if you notice the height of them, significantly, not significantly different, but a good foot in terms of canon different. So what we'll do is we'll bring out one of the brutes first. So if we quickly jump back over here, we'll bring in one of these brutes. And hopefully I'll place them right next to, hopefully, Master Chief. I might have to move them slightly over to fit them all in. But we'll switch over here. Here you go. This is how you can see the scale of them. So you've got the normal brute, which it looks the same size as Master Chief. Maybe we'll use another one. Try which one's a bit more not throwing something. Here we go. So you can tell he's definitely a bit bigger. And he's nearly a head bigger than Master Chief. So human, enhanced human, brute, and then we'll get Atriox, which this is the Atriox that comes with this edition. There's actually two Atrioxes. There's also a retail edition, which you can actually get online. I might actually show. But this is the second only hero unit added to the game, and it's quite big. So let's see if I can move this slightly. Oh, no, that's not going to work, and I'm going to bugger it up a little bit. But we'll move the human out of the way, and then we'll move all these guys across. So we've got Master Chief here. We've got the brute there, and then we've got Atriox here in terms of size. So just to give you a sense of scale there, Atriox is definitely a lot bigger. He's nearly well, not really a Master Chief and a half, but Master Chief and a person. So this is Linda, by the way. See? Oh, is it Linda? Who did I make it? Oh, Fred. This is a Fred. But yeah, that's the scale of it. So you can really notice and look at the bases as well. I think that's a good indication of the size of them as well. These bases. And that one, not really the best angle in the world. Again, this is my first time trying it out. So the bases are quite big, so that'll be interesting from a gameplay point of view. And I obviously haven't played any of it yet, because this is the first time opening the pack. But it'll be interesting to see how that goes along. But you can definitely notice the differences if you actually just put Atriox, actually bring them a little bit closer to the camera, Atriox and Master Chief. They're definitely, there's a bit of a size difference there, and I think this one will be actually Atriox will be a really amazing model to paint. Don't know how I'm going to store them, because most of them are really for this size. But you know, but we'll now just open up all of them here, and kind of just show them off. So actually, we'll switch back to really quick to this camera. So we'll move Atriox, move that to the side. I think this is the captain. You can see. And then we've got, I think this is more of a Grenadier. It's very similar to the other one. What did I put the other one? Here we go. Same skull. I think the weapon, though, is slightly different. I think that's got to relate it to the cards as well. Just if I can show it a little bit. The camera I'm using for the close-up there is not the best one. I think that's, not sound grenade. Something grenade. I know that this is a spike grenade. There you go. On the side, we'll get over to this one. I believe that captain. I have to. I shouldn't open those yet. I should actually really gone through all the names of them before I did this. Oh, this one's got a broken bit. I don't know if that's on purpose or not. Uh-oh. Let's see. So it's got this one. Oh. Not this one. This one's alright. This one here. And also on the back of it, he's missing a bit, and I'm not sure whether that is on purpose or not. The other one doesn't have it. I'm just trying to see in here any loose bits, and I'm not seeing anything. So I don't know what that one's about. Don't know what happened there, but nothing is showing in here as a loose bit. So that's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Then we've got this one. He's got a commando rifle that's exclusive to Halo Infinite, for those that have played Halo Infinite. And then we've got the snipers here. And we've got a sniper here, which is probably one of my more favorites. I kind of like the little pointy top. And the problem is line of sight. I think it's quite important in Halo Flashpoint with line of sight. So it's a question of I guess that doesn't count because you have to actually see a body part, but it's interesting. That's so pointy outy, you could say. And then actually the last one is this one as well, which is a little one, another sniper as well. So these they're definitely are all custom. All the figures are custom from each other, all slight little variants as well, which is what I really do like. You also get the elites. Now I already have these elites, so these ones I will paint a little bit differently. There we go. Got these elites, and they're good sculpts as well. They came with the Spartan edition, if you've gotten that. And so if you've already gotten these ones, then you can dive into these ones and paint a few more variants. I painted all mine's blue originally. Actually, I will look up a picture now of my paints. They're not great, but hey, this hobby's not about experts, it's just about having fun. So yeah, we got that one as well. So yeah, that's about it. So we'll switch back over to the wider view. So we've got all the cards in here as well. These are all the new equipment cards that we got. I don't know how I'm going to do this particular one, but there we go. They're very small cards, so there we go. I'll try and do it like a Pokemon reveal. There we go. See if I can get, there we go, focus. There I got Brute Shot, Skewer, Mangula. And you got, and they're both sides, so that's a close combat. A lot of brute weapons are close combat weapons as well. I think Skewer isn't. Oh, that one is. The Brute Shot is, which makes sense. Got a big little blade on it. Got the Shock Rifle. Got the Ravager, which is also close combat. Actually, no, that says range 1, range 2. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to have to figure all that out. You got the Sentinel Beam, which is a good classic Halo weapon. Disruptor. The Dynamo Grenade, that's the grenade I was trying to think of. You got the Spike Grenade. You got the Mauler, close combat and range one. And then you've got the same variants as ones that you find on the field. So the red ones are for when you're making your builds, your loadouts, and your lists. And these ones are the ones for the actual gameplay when you can pick them up. So that's the reason why they're different colors. If you didn't know, red's for loadouts, that one is for pickups. And now the cards over here. So these are, we're going to analyze some of these in the podcast that I mentioned before. But I just want to look at them because they're still good. This is a Halo Infinite screenshot, it looks like, from the Brute Chieftain from Halo Infinite. And that's the Special Order Rampage, which again we'll go through all this in the detail in the pod. We've also got the Atriox Special Order, which is Defiance. We've got little Atriox in the back, looking very. He's in canon. He's still alive, so it'd be interesting to see him coming back. And then you got that Atriox card there, looking pretty badass, and then a good lore dump on the back of it. You got the Sangheli Mercenaries, which, you know, this looks like just newer versions of the old cards, which is good. Actually, we'll quickly go through them for those that don't know. There you go. They're all just called Sangheli Mercenary. The only difference is the weapon that they have loaded out to them, with one including a sword. There you go. And notice the little Brute logo, no, Banished, I should say, a logo up on the top. There, like that. And then you got the actual cards of the actual characters. So you got alright, I'm not gonna try and pronounce Jahali. We've got the Brute Captain. You got the Brute Warrior. You got the Brute Berserker. You got the Brute Sniper. Well, I'm trying to show. There you go. Should show it a little bit different. Brute Captain again. The Brute Chosen Warrior, that's a little bit different than the normal Brute Warrior. They got the Brute Berserker and the Brute Sniper again. So those are all the different variants, and then you've got the Mercenaries again. And there we go. You've got all of them. There you go. You've seen all of them. And now I'm gonna try and pack up this mess and not damage the cards. After recording the first bit, I just realized I forgot to show the playing board. So here's the playing board with all the gear on it. Not gear, the terrain on it. I don't know. It's been a long day. But yeah, Here's a good shot of it. It's taken from my floor. I didn't really plan this very well. So there you have it. That's the unboxing for the Rise of the Banished box. I haven't actually put the box back together, so this is the lid of the box. I'm putting this up here because I don't want to edit the box into it, but there we go. Yeah, overall, I mean, at the end of the day, it's each to your own whether there's something you like or not. There's a piece missing from one of the models. I don't really know what to do with it. I'm in New Zealand. It's quite a while to get a replacement for a little bit, but overall, I'm really stoked for it. I'm stoked to see what's coming up next for Halo Flashpoint. I think this is a really good box to tick off to show that we can expand beyond just Spartans, and let's hope we'll find out more information soon. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me fumble around and try and present this. I don't know. I'm tired. This is the bag that keeps me alive, and it's really exhausting for me to stand for a very extended period of time. So if you want to listen to me and James talk about the new expansion pack, the link's down below, and you can listen to us Gatsbag about it. And James is currently, I don't know, he does pretty well. He's like top of the world, but I don't know. Maybe not by the time this video comes out. I don't know how to end these, so we're just gonna end it. Right, like and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and see ya.